Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Killer. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know so this is the skiller, you see me? And a news a go round and say that police Trim Jah CURE pitney head. You see me? Not no go so. You see me? I see the mistake. It is JahDore. Right? The Rasta man kid's head where the police them trim is JahDore. See him right over my shoulder right so? Yes. Him name JahDore. You see me I say? So in the gleaner and in certain news places them put JahDore, but people see it and mistake it and say JAH CURE, or them hear and think of JAH CURE, and the news starts spread right through Jamaica. Say police trim JAH CURE pitney head. Brethren, you don't know JAH CURE stay already. You think say police that trim JAH CURE pitney head from the 30th of April, and Uno on social media and hear about it from him himself. Now hear the story go. Sean McDonald, right? That is JahDore, the artist where him youth head then get trimmed. So I say, him wife, like the police them come at the man yard and see the man wife and with the 3 kids. You see what I say? One of them is a baby, you see me? So the police said to her, say, why the other 2 people them now go to school? The wife now feel threatened and call JahDore, right? To come over. Right? Because he never there in yard at the time. So when he come there now, the police them start asking the same question again, why do you them now go school? And one thing lead to the other, where him and the police them in some form of randangles and them take him in a police custody, where them put him in a one room and the woman in a one room and then take the pitney them and gone with them. When they gone with the youth them, according to where the report said, when they gone with the youth them, then take the youth them and go trim them and give them meat. You see me? KFC at that. You see me? I say some farmer meat to eat. And that is how the story come up when they say JahDore. When they say JahDore, so with JahDore pitney head get trimmed. But for some reason it turned around now and I circulate the whole social media. I said JAH CURE pitney head get trimmed. But even if a JAH CURE or not, still, me not tell a lie. Where the police them do in other action, you see me I say it no look right. You see me I say even if the man having pitney them a go there in yard and now go school, you see me, human rights make it that you don't have the right to trim the little youth them and give them meat pan that, because he might try to bring theme youth them to a certain liberty where him believe is right in a theme side. You get me I say to you? So it's like you break the man we are life, you see me? So even when time him look upon the police and say, yo, him youth them go the homeschooling, which you know so homeschooling is not an illegal thing, you see me I say? But me don't know what happened, if I the proof or not. But anyways, long story short, it all ended that him get charged for police assault. You see me I said to you? And then trim the pitney head and that's why they are all them sitting there. So it kinda messed up. Big man thing. The story kinda messed up. You see me? Yeah, for really and truly. So him lawyer when he Mr. Stewart say them are gonna work on that case and them are gonna appear in a court. We attack JahDore now. That Mr. McDonald, them are gonna appear in a court to see how this thing a work out. You see me I say, yeah, you don't know so Dancehall Killer we keep on up to date and make you know what go on still. Cause that story, even though it was a mistake story, the story itself still is a very interesting one, because believe me, you see me, police, them no think them have the right to trim somebody's kids like that. You see me I say? But anyways, I don't know. Me there as for bring it to you, make you see what I go on and make you know the things set. You see me I say? So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. You know, me understand the whole mistake. Some people read, some people misread, but you don't see the things set already. Alright? Alright, cool. Anyways, my name is Skiller, and this you just say a Dancehall Killer ENT. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?